Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making okra vegetable soup. Yeah, you know that's ogbono that used to have okra in it. The old school okra ogbono soup. That's what I'm making. And I hope you enjoyed this video.
My protein, I've gone ahead to clean very nicely. I'm using chicken. I might be adding other protein. I don't know yet, but this is what I'm starting with. I've cleaned my meat properly the way I like to. I have onion here. I'm going to add my ginger, garlic, and all the rest of my tatashi.
So I had already blended my tatashi. I'm using only tatashi, onion, ginger, and garlic for this recipe. In this very okra soup recipe, there's not going to be any pepper. I'm actually making this soup for my husband, friend, and his family, and they don't eat pepper at all, and they requested that they don't want pepper. So I am adding my blended onion, garlic, ginger, and tatashi. Tatashi is red bell pepper for those who don't know what tatashi is. I already sliced some onion in it. I'm going to add my Maggi seasoning.
With a little Maggi seasoning.
Like I said, tatashi is red bell pepper and it's not pepperish. It's in the family of sweet peppers. You can eat it that way.
Season to your preference.
You can decide to add your dried fish right now or your stockfish, or you just cover it to cook.
It's my clean dried fish. This one is my homemade. I'm using dried fish.
Several times, if my mom was making ogbono soup, she just make ogbono soup. And you're going to enjoy ogbono soup. She's not going to add okra. For some reason, she doesn't really like okra.
I'm going to go in with some drop of oil.
If my mom is going to make okra, she will make okra with a lot of vegetables, and she will make sure there's a lot of fishes in it for my dad. At this point, I'm going to cover it up and allow it to come to a boil so I can start going in with other things. You can never go wrong with adding a lot of crayfish to your soup. So I'm adding more crayfish. You can go ahead and add more. You can skip if you do not want to add extra. Let me know which of the soup is your favorite. Do you prefer ogbono with okra in it, or do you prefer okra with a lot of vegetables in it?
So this is a little bit of locust beans, and I'm going to mix this until it is well combined, and then I'll add it.
If you're making ogbono soup with okra, with this method you can never go wrong. Try this method, toast your oil for a little bit, add your ogbono, mix it together and add it to your pot. You will surely come back to say thank you Gucci. The taste will be very different. I'm making like the regular okra ogbono soup that we used to make in Nigeria. In every home there has to be this special recipe. Yes, it's always in any home. Very quick to make and very delicious. We are using okra. I'm going to get my okra ready.
This is our okra, guys. I'm going to add it in. I want it to be very, very slimy. Yeah.
Guys, there's no single pepper in this soup. I don't know how I'm going to even taste it. I mean, like, I can't imagine making okra soup without a single drop of pepper in it. Me, that is head of pepper. I love to eat pepper. There are some of my husband friends that when they come, all I will do is make a special pepper sauce for them. They will be hailing me. They'll be hailing me for making a special kind of pepper for them to be able to eat their meat. Oh, why some of them doesn't like pepper at all?
I'm going to go in with more crayfish. I like a lot of it in my food.
Do you know there were some things my mom didn't like and she didn't make them in the house? But in school, I will eat these things and I like them. I remember this saying, like when we were growing up, when my parents would say, one man meat is another man's poison or something. If you remember that saying, drop in the comment section.
No pepper, no single pepper. Oh my God. No single drop of pepper. Oh my goodness.
Tatashi abukwanu pepper.
Yam njiweje church. Banana. Queen my banana. banana nke Igbo, nke healthy one from my garden. Onya ka ijije church. You know? Yeah, far to go ready, Lord. Thank you. Our okra vegetable soup is ready. This is Nigerian soup. You will see every Nigerian family will make this soup.
My house, we ate a lot of Ogbono soup, but in my sister's house, I always ate this soup.
Yes.
I have a special Ghanaian shop that I used to eat, and I ate this with Bankunu. I ate this okra soup from Ghanaian shop very, very well. My mother didn't know at all.
The month in Tanzania, come rapo. Rapia. Paketing colored green. That should be okay, right?
If it was only my family that would eat this soup, I usually like to add a little bit of bitter thing like otazi or bitter leaf, just to have a little bitter taste, not just too sweet, because this is too sweet. It's too sweet and it has no pepper in it. This one, I don't know how I'm going to enjoy this soup, but it is what it is.
Healthy, delicious okra soup.
If you're having any gathering here and you haven't made this special soup, you haven't started, we love it over here a lot.
I hope you all give it a try.
We are working here in case you're hearing any noise. Thank you all so much for watching. Sorry for the noise. This is my grandson's favorite soup. My grandson has started eating swallow. Make sure there's no bone in the soup for him. He loves this very soup. This is the soup we actually used to start children, you know, like in Africa, to eat fufu. If you want your child to eat fufu, we are going to dish it in our bowls. As I was making this soup, I was making pepper soup alongside. I have dish for them. They are chatting. I'm going to make my own so I can be eating. Thank you all so much for watching till this moment. God bless you mightily. I am very, very grateful, Gucci's team. If you're new here, thank you so much. God bless you. Come on, guys, let's eat. Let's eat. I have worked, I have to eat.
When